Hello, 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 and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So, we're still looking into the SuperPET, but before I lose any screws, I'll put things in a baggie, because it's horrible to lose a good screw. So these are all keyboard screws, and I would mark them. If I had, oh, that's not the right screw. If I had a Sharpie handy, I would mark these, but I'm not going to put them away. I will remember. And we have more things to do here. I don't know if you watched before. Oh, no, I guess that does go in there. Yeah. Okay, so I have here an 8032 with a broken bezel, but the monitor works. So that's all good. And I have in it a working 8032 board, which is not the board that came with the SuperPET, but I have inside the board that came, the SuperPET board that came with the SuperPET. And if I turn it on, it comes up. But then if I switch to 6809 mode, and I know you can't see this very well. Hello, if I could just flip the switch. If I switch to 6809 mode, it comes up with a cursor in the top corner of the screen that does not flash. Well, I did refer to the manual that Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel made, and it does say that if that happens to you, that you should change the 6809 chip. That's this chip here. Here, this is another SuperPET board. This is one of the ones I sent away to assist Rudy in the development of the manual. So, there was something else he suggested, but I forgot. Okay, so I'm removing the 6809 from that board, and this is turned off. Now, I am still suspecting that there will be more issues here. But you never know, you know. So, 6809 out. Checking the pins. Checking the witness mark. Oh, come on, you. I'm going to push this in. Get it well seated, well secured. Look and see. It does look to be okay. And the witness mark is in the right spot. So I'll fold this down as much as I am able, and I will turn it on and see what else we see. Aha! And now we see a very different screen. Full of, oh, things are happening. It was full of some character, and now it's gone on to some little dot things. This, too, is something that I will have to refer to Rudy's manual. I'm going to switch back to the 6502, and of course the PET side, the 8032 side will come up. I'm going to switch back to the 6809, Let's see if it does that again. Yes, it does. It fills up the screen with something. It's different somethings. It looks like a dot and an X this time, but it fills it up completely. And it's just sitting there. So I will have to refer. So it is very likely that the 6809 is bad. Very likely. But there are other issues to be dealt with now that we have a screen full of stuff. Now, oh, what am I going to do? Okay. Is that the switch I'm after? No. This is the switch I'm after. I'll do that one more time. I'll go back to the 6502 side, and then I'll go to the 6809 side and see what comes up this time. Okay, it's different. It's got a few little scraggly things on the screen, but the screen is not full. In glancing in there, I do believe I did see something in there. Yep, a few scraggly characters. So I will need to go and refer to the manual and see what I see. Perhaps I'll call Mr. Rudy. The other thing I may do, I might put this board in, which is, of course, a working SuperPET board. I may put it in and put the 6809 back in and just verify that, this comes up okay. That would be good. That would be good. Anyway. All right, well, I figured there'd be something else, and there is. So thanks for coming. Stay tuned for the next exciting episode of SuperPET Restoration. Bye for now.